Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Super Bowl Sunday. I am so ready for the new commercials. I love watching the game. Not really so much the game, more the commercials and the halftime show. So that should be fun today. Honestly, I think both teams are not that great anyway. I don't think everybody's really that excited from my understanding. So yeah, it is what it is, but at least we get some entertainment, some fun, or whatever. We decided to stay home. It is snowing outside, you guys, but I still have to go out. So I have to go to Target and pick up my curbside order, and I'm gonna go get lunch for the boys. I guess I'll get the McDonald's today, and I'm gonna pick myself up a chicken Caesar slice. I also placed an order for wings, not that many, just like a small order of chicken wings. Honey barbecue wings, because I didn't want to make them, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy them, and that's that. So the craving goes away and I don't have to put in the work, you know? So that's that. Right now I am just going to get ready real quick. I'm gonna do my brows and my a little bit of something, you know? So what else do I have to do today? I am going to be doing Dominic's Valentine's Day cards. So he has it ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. What else? Probably play another game or two, because yesterday we were playing Guess Who. I don't know if you guys know that game, but I always end up losing somehow. I don't know. He's so good at games, Dominic, my younger one. He's so good at Uno. I mean, I'm good at Uno too, but he's like really good at games. I don't know. It's so crazy. He always wins. So Giovanni was supposed to ask his boss if he can work earlier and get off early, you know, because of the Super Bowl. But since he works from home, he was like, whatever, I'll just work during the Super Bowl. It doesn't really matter. So yeah. So that's that. It's really just gonna be me and Giovanni, because Dom doesn't really care much for the game. Like I said, I don't care for the game. I just care for the commercials and the halftime show. The performance is gonna be interesting. So yeah, just sucks. Tom had to work. He was like, I'll just go and make extra money. It is what it is. I was like, all right, fine, whatever. And tonight I am making chicken quesadillas, because I didn't make it Friday. I went out with my friend to my friend's house, so I figured it'd be easier to just make chicken quesadillas, put it on a platter, and everybody just take what you want, you know? So I was gonna film like a, what is it, a whatchamacall, makeup routine. I guess I'll show you guys right here right now what I'm doing as my makeup. Like, I really don't do too much. I did put a primer, a moisturizing primer, because I feel a little dry. I filled in my brows, obviously, done. And you guys, I've been like obsessed with this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. So good. So I do one pump, okay, and then I'm just going to grab that and apply it everywhere else. I usually like to go in and apply it right up here where I have like more dark spots and more of my freckles, and underneath the nose especially, because that's where I have like my red hormonal area. I hope I don't get my period tomorrow. I'm gonna be so mad if I get my period tomorrow, because tomorrow's Valentine's Day and I'm wearing a tight dress, and y'all know that when we get our periods, we feel bloated, we look bloated, and it's just not fun, not cool, you know? So just gonna do quick, easy makeup so I can go run my errands. And you see, quick, easy. I'm gonna add a little concealer for extra coverage. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I usually just need it under my eye. I'm just gonna go in with this dry elf sponge here. So yeah, I don't know what else do I have to do today. Nothing really. I did put up a Valentine's Day video. Hopefully you guys saw it. I had so much fun filming that. It was just like the prettiest, most beautiful pink glam. Oh my god. Unfortunately, I won't be putting redoing that makeup look on myself tomorrow because I have a taupey colored dress, and I did show you guys in one of my vlogs what the dress looks like. I absolutely love it. It is so pretty, and I couldn't believe that I found this at Forever 21. Like, it was really pretty. I mean, it's super simple, but absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to finish my makeup and you guys can watch how quick and easy this is, because I mean, I'm probably just gonna be here and not talking. And yeah, but yeah, I'll just see you guys in a couple minutes. Okay guys, so that is the makeup look right there. All done, quick and easy. Love everything about it. I'm just saying, like, it's super quick and easy. Oh, I forgot to add some blush. I like a little blush on the cheek. Just apply a little bit here, and a little bit there. Give myself a little bit of a rosy apple right here. And there you go. All done. Now I'm gonna put on my boots and I'm going to remote start my car so it's warm when I get in there. Tom actually cleaned my car, you guys. That was so sweet. He came back and just cleaned up my car real quick. So I don't have to do it now. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit when I'm outside because I gotta put my boots on. Be right back. You guys, it's snowing! Look how pretty. Look. This is the snow. My god, it's supposed to snow literally all day. All day it's supposed to snow. All day, all day, all day. So let's head to Target. Hopefully the streets are not, I mean, they don't look bad. I mean, they're not covered or anything. So that's why I was like, let me go pick up my curbside. And I forgot, you guys, I have to pick up chocolates for Tom. So he gets mad if I don't get him chocolates. So I have to get him chocolates. I already got a card. That's okay. But maybe I'll look for an anniversary card because I have a Valentine's Day card. Or did I get an anniversary? I think I did get an anniversary card. Shit, can't remember. Oh well. So yeah, either way, I'm just gonna go get him a box of chocolates. I got the boys already the other day with Tom chocolates, so I don't have to worry about them. I just have to worry about getting Tom chocolates. And I have to remember when I get there, you have to get out of the car, go get chocolates. Chocolates, chocolates, chocolates. Because I'll go pick up my order, leave, and forget. But I can always go to CVS around my house. But the point is to just go get chocolates while I'm there. Yeah. And then go get McDonald's for the boys and get me a slice of chicken Caesar pizza. So that's that. Alright, so I'm looking for chocolates. I don't know where I can find them though. Let's go see where I can find them. That is like the saddest display of chocolates. Am I late? What? You guys, I'm late. I have no chocolates for Tom, so I think I'm gonna have to go to CVS because I don't find anything. What is this? Easter candy? ready for the beach now. Where's the candy? You guys, literally everything is super duper empty right now. Literally, did you guys see this? Look at this. Everything is super duper empty. Look at that. They literally just cleaned house for Valentine's Day. So now I'm just gonna have to go to CVS and pick up some candy because there ain't shit here. All right, see you guys later. All right, so I just picked up my chicken Caesar slice, which I'm so excited about. It smells so good. Now, since Target was a fail, which I'm so surprised, you guys. I mean, I guess I shouldn't be because they are making their switch for the next holiday season, whatever. It's just crazy, like literally the aisles were completely empty. So I'm at CVS and the parking lot is super duper full, which means everybody's doing last minute Valentine's Day shopping, like candies, cards, etc. So let's do this real quick, in and out. Hopefully, crossing my fingers, we can get this done in like 5 minutes because all I need is a box of chocolates, just a box of chocolates. And hopefully I can just check out real quick. Let's go in. Oh, look, I found these. These are really cute. The Russell Stover. Very cute. All right, I'm gonna get these. All right, you guys, so I got a box of chocolates. See, quick and easy, less than 5 minutes. Went in, saw the display on the table as soon as I walked in, grabbed it, done. I know he's gonna love it, and it's so cute. You know, I mean, I know he's probably not gonna care much for it, but it is really cute. I like this. I may keep this and put it on my dresser or something. It's really cute. So now that that's done, I am going to go to McDonald's to pick up the lunch for the boys. So let's head there right now. All right, so I have to wait for the fries because they're going to be making them right now, which means they're going to be fresh. And oh my God, I love fresh fries, but I'm not eating fries. I'm eating a chicken Caesar slice, which is one of my favorites, so that's okay. Don't worry about it. This is gonna be my fat cheat day, kind of. And it's stupid because I'm going out to dinner tomorrow and I'm wearing a tight dress, so it's kind of retarded for me to do that. But I'll be easy. I'm gonna eat maybe like this right here for lunch, and then like 2 small chicken quesadillas and like 6 waffle fries, and call it a night. And 1 wing. 1 wing. I have to have at least 1 to 2 wings. I went from 1 to 2. So we're gonna do 1 to 2 wings and that's it. And then Giovanni can have the rest. That's why I didn't order that many, because I already knew. But I'm excited to try them, so I should be getting them by 4 o'clock. All right, so we're starting the Valentine's Day cards, guys. We have a couple done already. We have a little, what is it? A little, assigned work here. So Dominic is going to give me the name, the card, and the candy that's going to go to the person. Darius and Victoria. Okay. Wait, what do you mean? You gotta do something too. No? Yeah. So we're splitting it. Yeah, no, we're splitting it because now I'm doing all the work.
Fine, I'll put my name and you do it.
Ah. So you're basically signing your autograph and I have to do the rest of the work? Are you kidding me? I thought we assigned work here.
Say, how do you put Darius?
Darius? I think
Darius.
D-A-R-I-U-S? Let's see, Darius. See, it would help if we had a class list, but I forgot to ask for one. I was right, D-A-R-I-U-S. If they spell it that way, I don't know. D-A-R-I-U-S. I hope they're gonna have to forgive us. They're gonna have to forgive us. So
that is right.
Good. All right, so here, this is Victoria.
It's called Victoria.
V-I.
Wait.
Tell me when you're ready.
V-I-C-T-O-R-I-A.
Perfect. Victoria. So let me staple this. M-E-S. Holmes. Perfect. Yay!
I tried to drop it.
Caught you slipping.
No!
Caught you slipping. Okay.
Now I'm gonna go and eat this.
Okay, yes, you can grab it. All right, so we just finished the Valentine's Day cards. They're right here, you guys. We're all done. I just have to put them in a bag. Thank you for your time. I appreciate, you know, you taking time off of your day. Now you can go and play your video games, whatever it is that you were doing before. I love you. I love you. I love you, my little muffins. I love you, my little cutie pies. I love you, I love you, I love you. All right, bye.